Today, we've got a POCO X3 Pro with a badly damaged display. The customer came in with a screen that needed to be replaced. But before we find out how the phone looks at the end, let's get started with the repair. First, we carefully open the phone and remove the back panel. Once it's open, we disconnect the battery and start removing the required screws and components. Now we can access the display connection. Everything has to be handled carefully here, because one small mistake can turn a simple display replacement into a much bigger repair. Next, we move on to the damaged display. We carefully separate the old screen from the frame. And finally, the damaged display is out. But now comes an important part. Before the new screen goes in, we need to make sure the frame is completely clean. So we remove the old adhesive and clean the surface properly. Because if the frame isn't clean, the new display won't sit perfectly. Once everything looks good, we prepare the replacement display. Fresh adhesive goes onto the frame. And now we carefully place the new display into position. This is where alignment really matters. We take our time and make sure the screen sits perfectly on the frame. And if you enjoy watching real mobile repairs from start to finish, make sure you follow the channel. Because the most satisfying part of this repair is still coming. Once the display is properly fitted, we reconnect everything and put the phone back together. The back panel goes back into place. And now, we've reached the moment we've been waiting for. The final test. We power on the POCO X3 Pro. And let's see if this new display is working perfectly. And there it is. The display is back to life. The touch is responding properly, the screen looks clean, and everything is working just as it should. From a damaged display to a completely fresh-looking phone, another POCO X3 Pro successfully repaired.